So now let's see how we can work around with the Softglow effect inside of GIMP. So in order to work around with the Softglow effect, you need to go around under filters right here and then go around over here onto artistic section. So once you go around over here, you can see that Softglow is an option, and once you apply it, you can see that everything glows out very softly right here once you apply this filter. So you can go around and change around the radius of the glow right here, which takes the white pixels and makes it glow. You can change around the brightness of the glow as you like right here as well, and change around the sharpness as well. Apart from that, you can work around with the opacity as you can see right here, and then change around the blending mode as you like as well. So if I were to go around and screen it, then you can see that this is what you have, as you can see right here, just like this. So you can go around and see the before and after you apply the glow effect, and see the split view just like with any other effects that you may have. If you were to go around and then press OK, then this will be applied over here just like this. And that is how you can work around with Softglow effect inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.